Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to combine first and last name in Excel. So let's get started. Firstly go to start menu. Here you will enter Excel. Then tap to open it. Now open Excel sheet. Now make sure first name is in column A. Like I will type Mark and the last name is in column B. Mark Zen. Then now click on the cell where you want the full name to appear. For example, I want full name in the C D. Here you will type the code is equals to A1 and colon space colon and B1. Then press enter. Here you will see the full name will be in the mark. Then the next method is using the concat function. You can also use the concat function is equals to concat bracket A1 comma colon space comma B1, close the bracket, then press enter. Here you will see method 3 using text join. This is best for large data. For this you can is equals to text join bracket start colon space colon comma true comma A1 comma B1, then bracket close, then press enter. Here you will see, and that's it. That's how you combine first and last name in Excel. Super simple, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.